say no.
When I get up all in ya, we can hear the angels calling us. We can see the sunrise before us. And when I'm in that thing, I make that ice.
Hello everyone, in this video I will make cough medicine with only 2 ingredients. The ingredients are pear and ginger. Step 1, we have to cut the pear like this. And make a hole in the center of the pear like this. And then cut the ginger. Next, we put the ginger slice into the pear. Then we cover with pear slice like this. And then we steam it for 40 minutes. And after steaming for 40 minutes, you can drink the ginger water in the pear. Like this. And you can eat the pear. So that it feels warm in your throat and will reduce your cough.